Oh, what's on the menu tonight, ladies and gentlemen? Fast food reviews with John the Picker. It's probably pretty much the same as last time. You never know when they're gonna change something, so we might as well tape it again. I don't know what I'm gonna get tonight. Probably a gyro. Where are those at? Probably gonna get a gyro. Up a little bit so we ain't shaking. Mint chocolate swirl shake. We need that kind. What? Yep. Gotta go inside. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, food reviews with John the Picker. Next item up, I got a roast beef gyro. It has Greek seasoning, roast beef, tzatziki sauce, however you pronounce that, Tzattziki sauce, red onions, tomatoes, shredded iceberg lettuce wrapped in a pita wrap. It smells amazing. Look at that. Wow. That's awesome. Look at all the roast beef. I usually put Arbys and horsey sauce on my stuff. Arbys sauce is kind of like a tangy version of their ketchup, I guess. It doesn't taste like ketchup at all. It's just tangy sauce, I guess. Horsey tastes like horseradish, kind of, but in an Arby's kind of way. It's really unique. Arbys and horsey sauce is the best sauce ever. I love that stuff. We got the onions, tomatoes, lettuce. That must be that sauce, that white stuff, and Italian seasoning, which would probably be right there. Yep, wrapped in a pita wrap. I love pita wraps. Reminds me of Taco Bell. It's awesome. Tastes totally different than anything I've ever eaten at Arby's. That doesn't feel too big. That's my junior roast beef. Cost me $1.50. Added cheese. Where's the beef? There's a little bit. You don't get much. Junior roast beef sandwich, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is awesome. I love the way you can taste the Italian dressing. I have no clue how to explain the taste of the other stuff. Yep, I'm going to eat this sandwich and I'll let you know what it tastes like. Maybe I'll just taste the sauce. Try to. I think that was horseradish. I have no clue, ladies and gentlemen. Tastes really good, I know that. I'm going to be getting this more often. Oh yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the gyro was done. That thing was friggin' awesome. I could really taste the Italian seasonings on there. I have no idea what the tzatziki sauce or whatever it's supposed to taste like, so I could not tell you because I mixed horsey and Arbys sauce. Maybe I shouldn't have did that. But it tastes really good. The pita bread's nice and fresh. I'd get it if I was you. That's like one of my favorite sandwiches now. Now I got this junior roast beef. I'm going to eat this beast up. Arby's roast beef's amazing.